You know, they say you should never trust a skinny cook. Well, guess what? I know a lot more than this fat fuck does.
Yeah, oh god, Chef P.O.'s my favorite chef. Oh god, yeah. Oh god, yeah. Oh, what the f-
Hello! Welcome to the Shook Cook. First of all, I like to introduce myself. Some people like to call me Chef P, Chef Po, and even the dyslexics like to call me Chef OP. Yeah, OP. They treat me like a video game. I don't play games. You know what I do? I punch those assholes so hard that the only thing they can read properly is this and this. Anyways, what I plan on showing you today is how to make scrambled eggs. Yeah, just like the ones your grandma made when you were young. And if she didn't make you any eggs, well guess what? You can cry me a fucking river while I RSVP to your pity party, shit stain. So to start off, you're gonna need some eggs. They don't have to be from the farm, homegrown, or anything like that. I mean, hell, the more GMO the better, I always say. Oh, what the fuck? And second, you're gonna need some milk. Oh, it's 2018. Who drinks whole milk nowadays? Well, you know what? This stuff used to give people muscles. Now, it only gives millennials vaginas. And once you figure out that shit, you're gonna need your basic salt and pepper. Just be sure not to season like a white person. And lastly, butter. Feel free to substitute with oil, but just know, your eggs are gonna come out tasting like they came out of the chicken's ass. Alright, now that you managed to get all of these things, let's head over to the stove, along with the shittier camera angle. Alright, now, we gotta crack these damn things. What I like to do is take the egg, split it directly down the middle, and split from the sides. That way, you get no shells and shit directly in your eggs. You know, let's try it. Look at that. Beautiful. What was that? What was that? Another one.
Oh yes, baby.
Round 3? Somebody want round 3? Because you barely get those. Canta mia! Now that you got your eggs in the bowl, you're going to want to add salt and pepper. Now, I want high cholesterol when I'm older, so I'm going to add in both. Just a little extra for the flavor. Every fucking time! Why does it always mess up? God damn it! Ah! Once you have the eggs and seasoning inside, last but not least, you're going to want to add the milk. This will give it fluff. The good fluff, not black china ass fluff. Now that you got the concoction in your bowl, you're going to want to mix it together. What I recommend is you get one fork and you put it in and you whisk it. Similar to, I don't know, conducting a shitty orchestra. So you're going to go in, whisk, 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 whisk. One more thing messes up, I'm turning your ass into a fat Mexican pig roast.
Quítate!
After you thoroughly whisk your eggs, it is now time to heat them up. Before putting the heat on, I usually like to drop my butter in first, as I'm not feeling the need to rush and just throw it in all at once. it is recommended that you use medium heat when cooking these eggs. But I like my eggs a little crispy than usual. So instead of using the stove heat, I like to use my mixtape.
I'm just chilling.
Wow, now that was fast. Now that the butter is everywhere, you just want to drop those bitches in and watch them harden up. Yum. Wow. Amazing. Great. Spectacular. Awesome. Now as the eggs are hardening up, you're going to want to mix them around so the shit doesn't stick to the goddamn pan. Really messy and a pain in the ass to clean up. Cool. Wow. Awesome. Neat. Cool. Amazing. Cuck. Sweet. Rad. Gnarly. Eggs. Wow. Cooked right. Amazing. Jealous much? Subscribe. More videos? What? Wow.
And there you have it, folks. A good old scrumptious scrambled egg. Not that microwave bullshit, and not the cancer they give you at Denny's or iCrotch. Huh. Pardon my French, IHOP. Now let's try this shit. Mmm. 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 Fuck, that's good! Ladies, if you make your man these eggs, he'll give you a ring and his cockle-doodle-doo in the same day. And fellas, if you make your women these eggs, they're gonna want another batch. This time, fertilized. And there you have it, folks. A shook meal from a shook cook. I'm Chef P.O. signing off. Did you cut it? Fuck, that's terrible. Jesus Christ. Okay, 86 those. We're gonna need 12 more cases of eggs. Where the hell is the bacon? I already asked for the bacon.
I'm gonna get real bucked in this motherfucking kitchen.
Bread,
No,
wheat,
Chef,
white,
Chef,
sourdough.
Come on, Chef, I gotta bring this to your attention because,
Cordell,
okay.
every day. What now?
Now you say no bitch and everything. No. This is a serious matter. Who the hell back here giving me goddamn beans on Soul Food motherfucking Sunday? It ain't Latin Mondays nor Taco Tuesday.
Do you know what day it is? It's Tuesday. You bitch
I
about
gotta
not
know.
having enough macaroni and cornbread on Soul Food Sunday.
Hell no.
Mexican
No.
Mondays, you bitch
Hell
about the
no.
frijoles.
No.
Tuesday is a normal day. It's a new day.
No, hell no, okay, but okay, look here, motherfucker. Why are they bringing beans? Frijoles.
That's not my problem. I don't know. We don't have beans
You
back
talk
here.
to
We don't
him.
have another shipment of beans for a week.
No, talk to Julio, talk to Javier, do what you need to
Oh,
do.
Cordell, I swear to fucking
Oh,
God.
what you gonna do? Raise the pan, hit me? Hit a motherfucker, hit me right now. I'll talk to HR. Come on, I know your ass wanna do it. Come on.
I don't want a hate crime on my record.
You're
Get
goddamn
the
right.
fuck out of my
Nope.
kitchen.
Raise this motherfucker. I'm throwing the HR either way.
Get out of my kitchen, Cordell. Get the fuck
No,
out.
fuck you,
Get out of my
motherfucker.
kitchen.